Hello students, this is Dr. Griffin, and this is the week of February 19th for your Business Law 2 class. I just wanted to send you out a message. This week begins chapters 35 through 39, a review of those chapters. So I want to make sure you're doing your Learn Smarts. Remember, you get points for those, and your Learn Smarts are like study guides. So do all the Learn Smarts before you attempt the quiz number 1, covering chapters 35 through 39. So the quiz is 20 questions, multiple choice questions, and it's set for 90 minutes. It will help you prepare for the upcoming exam 1, which will be next week. So your Learn Smarts should be done, 35 through 39, prior to taking your quiz. If you have any questions on the Learn Smarts, let me know. But take those Learn Smarts, get your credit for them, they will help you as a learning study guide, and then take the quiz 1. All of that before Sunday night at 10 p.m. Your quiz will be done, and you should have your Learn Smarts, as I said, completed before you do your quiz. Okay? So review the chapters, take the quiz, and the Learn Smarts this week. I will grade your legal issue number 3 later this week. And as always, any questions or concerns, let me know. Good luck.